The Computer Science Education Strategic Plan, 2017. By 2025, Los Angeles Unified School District is committed to providing each student access to computer science education, ensuring an integrated approach focused on the understanding and application of computational thinking in pre-K through 6th grade and in grades 7 through 12th through the successful completion of at least one rigorous and relevant computer science course. This is our vision for computer science education. Mayor Rahm Emanuel launched the Computer Science for All initiative for grades K through 12 in 2013 in Chicago. He said making sure our students are exposed to STEM and computer science opportunities early on is critical to building a pipeline to both college to career. He also said that requiring computer science as a core requirement will ensure that our graduates are proficient in the language of the 21st century so that they can compete for jobs in the future. December 9th, 2013, Grassroots Movement Hour of Code began to promote computer science education and computer science learning in grades K through 12. In 2014, Code.org launched computer science courses for elementary and high school. In 2015, teachers began the pilot year of training for those courses. President Obama revealed his plan, CS for All, in 2015 nationwide to provide access and equity for all students, including girls and minorities who are heavily underrepresented in the computer science workforce and in computer science classrooms. What can we learn from what has been done since the call to action? We know computer science is in everything we do. Broward Unified School District, they define computer science as a literacy. They began immediately by integrating computer science into math and science as early as kindergarten. And in 2016, 100% of schools offered computer science, including elementary and middle school, and more than 50,000 students were enrolled in computer science courses of study. Chicago Public Schools mandated computer science as a requirement for graduation. They committed to offering computer science to at least a quarter of elementary school children by 2020. Oakland School District, they require computer science for graduation. High schools are required to accommodate a 7-period day by altering their bell schedules just so students can take a computer science course. In San Francisco Unified School District, in 2017, about 40% of the middle schoolers and 14% of elementary students are now learning computer science. 11 of San Francisco's 17 high schools now offer computer science courses. So what does computer science look like in LAUSD? In 2013, fewer than 4% of LAUSD's 650,000 students took computer science classes according to the District of Instruction. 4 years later, 3.8% of LAUSD students in grades 7 through 12 are enrolled in a computer science course. Although this data does not represent a lot of change, LAUSD has taken many strides in implementing computer science education. The adoption and implementation of rigorous and relevant courses across multiple campuses, including AP Computer Science Principles, Computer Science Discoveries, and Exploring Computer Science. Teachers raise their hands to learning new curriculum and instruction built upon the recommendations from the College Board, CSTA, ISTE, and now the CS-K-12 framework. Stakeholders, including teachers and administrators, advocated to bring computer science education to their campuses to meet the 21st century literacy needs of their students. Computer science was defined as a literacy, and computational thinking is in the process of being integrated in all K through 6 classrooms. Administrators created partnerships with Code.org and UCLA to explore new curriculum and instruction and to support the professional learning of educators, and so much more. So where does California stand with computer science education? Currently, they've developed an advisory committee that will work to develop and disseminate K-12 computer science state standards by 2019. California does not require high schools to count computer science as a graduation requirement, but it does give the district the decision to count computer science towards graduation if the course is approved for UCOPC credit. Universities count computer science as a C credit or a G credit. So after researching the data from several school districts in the nation and in California, a list was created of common themes in every school plan. From that list is our LAUSD strategic plan. We're going to define, communicate, and support the vision, mission, and culture for CS education in LAUSD. We're streamlining all the work that has been done and bringing everything together. We're going to empower computer science educators and students with a focus on instructional practice and student learning. We're going to equip computer science educators and school sites. Start by transitioning our middle schools away from introduction to computers to a relevant, rigorous computer science discovery course. We're going to ensure equity and access for every LAUSD student. Then we're going to evaluate our plan every step of the way. We'll work together as the Instructional Technology Initiative team to ensure CS for LAUSD.